Hi, I'm Cynthia and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a 15-minute neck and shoulder release. This is a perfect practice to do anytime you have neck or shoulder tension. Let's get started. So let's just stand hip width apart and ease your arms around to tap the back of your ribs. And this is just allowing your shoulders to soften and relax, swinging, getting that full mobility all around your entire shoulders. Take deep breaths through your nose as you do this. You can hear the tapping of the back of your hand on your body and feel the air around you as your arms sway. I'll do this a few more times. And take one more deep breath. And slow down the sway. And come to standing. Take a few deep breaths here. Notice how your shoulders feel. And then let's elevate your shoulders all the way up. Release your shoulders to neutral. Draw your shoulders down. It's just a small movement. Return to neutral. Bring your hands together, protracting, and then retracting your arms, and then returning to neutral. Bringing your right hand to your right shoulder, as close to your shoulder as you can. Bring your left hand to your right rib cage. Then draw your right elbow up as high as you can, keeping your ribs right in place so that you're not wiggling around to avoid this movement. What you'll do is start to lift your right elbow all the way up. Take one more deep breath here, raising your elbow up. And then bringing your left hand up to your elbow. Lift your elbow as high as you can. We're getting into all of those muscles around your armpit chest. Take one more breath here. And release your elbow down. Sweep your left arm back. And eventually touch your fingers, or you'll get somewhere close to that. Take one more breath here. Lengthen your right arm up, your left arm down, and then switch sides. Left hand to your left shoulder. Bring your right hand to your left ribs. Lift your elbow up, and then keep firm at your ribs as you start to reach your elbow up as far as you can, staying neutral in your torso. Take one more deep breath here. Bring your fingertips up to your elbow and then press your elbow up. One more breath here. And then sweep your right arm around behind you. Reach toward your fingertips. Notice what you're noticing. And then reach your left arm up, right arm down, and return to center. Let's roll our shoulders back. Roll your shoulders forward. And we'll continue in that movement pattern, but we'll have our arms out to the side, rolling your right shoulder forward at the same time your left shoulder rolls back. And then switch, left shoulder forward, right comes back. And we'll continue rolling forward and back. Nice big circles. And notice how far down your hand or your arm goes in this circular motion. It sort of indicates to you where you might have some neck and shoulder tension. We'll do 3 more rounds back and forth, loosening up and learning about our shoulders and where we're holding and where we feel more loose. And we'll finish on the left side and come all the way down to center, rolling your shoulders back and then rolling your shoulders forward. Good. Shrug a little bit, release anything that's happening in your neck and shoulders, and come on back down to neutral. From here, bring your right hand to your chest and then your left hand to your chest. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and then ease your hands all the way down and then up. Look up at your pinkies. Draw your elbows as close together as possible. Take one more breath here. And then open up your elbows, bring your chin to your chest, and then draw your arms up toward the ceiling one more time. Nice deep breaths here. Open up your elbows, sweep your arms out and away from you, and then release. And we'll switch sides. Bring your left hand to your chest, your right hand as well to your chest. Draw your thumbs away and then palms together. Fingers come in toward your chest, down toward the floor, and then look up at your pinkies as you lengthen your arms. Nice deep breaths here. Listen to the sound of your breath. Lengthen wherever you can. And then open up your elbows. Bring your chin to your chest. And then lengthen your arms one more time. Breathing through your nose, both your inhale and your exhale. And then opening up your elbows, sweeping your hands out away from you, in toward you, and release. Roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders forward. Elevate. All of these beautiful movements release your shoulders and your neck. So now from here, draw your shoulders down. Good. Return to neutral and then protract, retract, and return to center. Excellent. So from here, what we're going to do is prepare for a pose that is reverse prayer pose. So we'll bring our arms up and then just sweep down. We'll do this a few times. Nice, easy swinging. And from here, as we come down, just swing your hands behind your torso, in and out. And then from here, you'll see I'm behind my torso, where we're just allowing ourselves to get that effort starting before we come in towards reverse prayer. So at this point, you can start here. This is a beautiful place to start. You may only be here, and this is also fantastic. In this place, you can bring your hands up your back, and then your pinkies and your fingers together, and then bringing your hands into reverse prayer. This is a very interesting pose for your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulders. It does take time to get in there, and it's nice to do these preparations to move into this pose. Let's come to sitting. While we're comfortably seated cross-legged on the floor, sitting comfortably cross-legged on the floor, bring your left hand to your side of your head, the top of your head. Your right hand's on the floor. Just allow yourself to lengthen your neck. And you can even look down at the floor, change the position of your hand, and ease the back of your neck. Excellent. Come back to neutral. We'll do this on the other side. Coming over, lengthening the side of your neck. And then looking down, repositioning your hand and bringing in some of that awareness of the back of your neck. And then come back to center. There's something I love doing. It's called the press and release. It's for all the small little interstitial muscles in your neck. So bring your palm to your cheek. And then press your hand into your head into your hand, and then just soften, turn toward your hand, just slightly, press, and release, soften, turn again, press, and soften, release, turn again, press, and release. Keeping your shoulders square to your mat, press and release. One last time, turn, press and release. Bringing your hand down. Woo, it feels so nice. Probably the whole right side of your head and neck and shoulder feels great. And then we'll switch sides. Pressing your head into your hand into your head, and soften, turn towards your hand, press, and release, soften, turn, press, and release, turn, soften, press your head into your hand into your head, and release. Turn, press, and release. Turn one last time, press, and release. Bringing your hand down, feeling your head and neck, feeling open and released. It's so lovely. We're going to come to lying down now. You can have your knees bent or your legs straight. Your arms come out to T position at shoulder height. Bring your right hand to your left shoulder. Ease your hand as far along as you can. And then bring your hand back across your chest, bringing it down to the floor. Let's do this with the left arm. Sliding it all the way toward your right palm. We'll do this from side to side. This is such a beautiful way to release neck and shoulder tension. You can move at your own pace. You're lifting your shoulder up off the floor. This is a beautiful massage for your shoulders. And come back to center. Bringing your left arm up, your right arm over, press into your right hand, and we'll come back to sitting. And then just doing a little check-in, noticing how great your shoulders and neck feel. That's it for today. Thank you. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. Check out the videos at the top of your screen that we've chosen for you, just in case you wanted to do another practice. While you're at it, grab our free guide, 10 yoga postures to relieve stress and anxiety. The link is in the pinned comments below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of all our posts. See you on the mat tomorrow. Namaste.